Hello friends, let's crochet together a little sheep. We need two colors of YarnArt jeans and white Softy. The hooks 1.6 and 2.1. Also we need beads for the eyes, black threads, needle and fiber fill. First of all, let's make hands and legs. We take dark thread and hook 1.6. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we change the color. Make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round, we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch, a chain, and we cut the dark thread. In the third round, we make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Then we make decrease, and 2 single crochets. 1, 2. A slip stitch, a chain. And we can hide all these threads inside. In the next round, we make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch and a chain. And we make 5 single crochets in the last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end on the thread to sew the hand to the body. We make the second hand in the same way. Now let's make the legs. A magic loop, and 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread and change the color. A slip stitch and a chain. In the second round, we make 5 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch and a chain, and cut the dark thread. In the third round, we make 2 single crochets, 3 decreases, 1, 2, and 3. And 2 single crochets. 1, 2. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the last round, we make 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end to sew the leg to the body. We make the second leg in the same way. Add fiber fill in the legs, and we don't need it in the hands. So these details are ready, and see you in the next part.